The Studebaker is majestic looking. The Pontiac suspension filled in, the wheel well's pretty badass. The fucking wheelbase is on point. Front and rear, no rub, but filled in nicely. Those Pontiac wheels look pretty sick on it. It's kind of like a sleeper. Gives you a little idea of what's going on. The 400 looks stealthy in there. Unless you're a Studebaker expert and you know that we fucking chopped off the firewall, I think it looks pretty stock. And if you're a Studebaker expert, you know this shit with a 400 ain't never gonna